Hello, young minds. Welcome back to Physics Point. In this short video, we'll discuss what is the difference between this inertia of rest and inertia of motion. All right. There are two things here. Already, I explained you what is the meaning of inertia in the previous video. If you don't have idea about what is inertia, go back to force and laws of motion video number 1 and watch that and come back here so that you understand about it. Inertia means what? It is the inherent property of a body. Inherent property of a body. Make notes one more time. Nothing will happen. It will be a practice for you. Inherent property of a body due to which it resists the change in a state of motion. Change in state of motion. Already I have explained this in the first video in detail. All right, so you go there and get to know about this inertia. This is the definition. I mean, it don't want to change its state of motion. If it is in a rest means, for example, body is at rest means it wants to continue in rest only. Wants to continue in rest only. All right, now if the body is in a uniform motion means what will happen? The body wants to continue in uniform motion only. All right, are you understanding what I'm trying to say? Okay, it wants to continue in uniform motion only. So this is the meaning of inertia. Now, what do you mean by this inertia of rest or inertia of motion? Let us try to understand this with the help of an example. Inertia of rest. Inertia of rest means, it is the property of the body. It is the property of a body. Property of a body due to which it wants to continue its a state of rest. It's a state of rest. Okay, please read this statement one more time. So inertia means it is a property, that is for sure. It is inherent property. Actually, it is the property of a body due to which it wants to continue its state of rest. Then only it is called as inertia of rest. All right, let me give you an example here. Now look at this. Already I have given this example in the previous video also. This is the glass tumbler and here is the cardboard. All right, here is the cardboard and what this is the coin here which is placed here. All right, so if you give a jerk, all right, so you are moving this cardboard forwards by giving a jerk, this coin falls inside. No, why? Because this coin has inertia of rest. It don't want to go forward along with this cardboard. It don't want to go when it is given a jerk. Okay, it wants to maintain its state of rest. All right, let me give you one more example. There is a bus. Okay, there is a bus here. Okay, here is the steering, here is the driver's place, and after that so many seats are made and you are standing here somewhere here. All right, now for example, initially the bus was at rest. Okay, it is at rest and you are also at rest. All right, so now for example, bus starts to move in the forward direction. Suddenly it start to move in forward direction. What will happen? Tell me. I mean, this bus wants to take you forward, but your body don't want to go forward. It will say I will go backward. All right, so it don't want to go forward. Why? Because it was there at rest. No, it wants to maintain its rest only. So this, both of these are example for what? Both of these are the example for inertia of rest, because it is the property of the body due to which it wants to be there in state of rest only. Look at this, it wants to continue its state of rest. All right, so it wants to be there in rest only, so that's why it goes backward. All right, it don't want to go forward along with the bus because this body has some mass. No, this person has some mass, so that's why that person wants to remain backward only. So that is only known as what? That is known as inertia of rest. All right, so initially what was the state? That has to be maintained. that the body wants to maintain. Initially, the bus was at rest. It started to move in the forward direction. Now, the body will say, no, I have a property called inertia. I want to be at rest only. I will not come forward. And meanwhile, as the body get adjusted, it will start to go in the forward direction. That's a different issue. But suddenly, it don't change its state of motion. It wants to remain at rest only. All right, so see here, it is also falling down. No, this coin is also falling down due to its inertia of rest. All right, now let us take the definition of inertia of motion. What is this inertia of motion? So inertia of motion is quite a simple definition. Can you tell me the definition of inertia of motion? Okay, inertia of motion is like it is the property of a body. It is the property of a body due to which it is a property of a body due to which it wants to be in its state of motion only, or it wants to continue its motion. You can say that it is the property of a body due to which a body do not want to come to rest. Do not want to come to rest. It in inertia of rest, it wants to be at rest only. It wants to continue its state of rest. But here it is a property of a body. It is a property of a body due to which a body do not wants to come to rest. It don't want to come to rest. All right. So it wants to continue its motion only. All right. So I hope definition is clear. All right, inertia of motion means it wants to be in motion only. It don't want to come to rest. All right, let us have a look at this. For example, this car is already moving. Okay, this person is sitting inside the car. This car is already moving and brakes are applied. Now, when brakes are applied, the car wants to stop, but this person will keep on moving in the forward direction. Why? Because they don't want to come to rest. They want to continue. They want to continue in motion only. Okay, motion only they want to continue. They don't want to come to rest. All right, you can write it like this also. It is a property of a body due to which a body do not wants to come to rest, and it wants to continue in motion only. Okay, it wants to continue in motion only. It don't want to come to rest. So this is known as inertia of motion. This is an example. All right, whenever brakes are applied, already the car was moving in the forward direction. Now brakes are applied means the car is asking this person to be at rest, come to rest, but this person wants to move forward. Why? Because he has one property called inertia of motion. Due to that mass, this person wants to continue in motion only. All right, so even for example, if you take a example of a big truck, okay, so otherwise you would take example of train. For example, this is a train, okay, with the different compartments and all. This is the train. All right, so here is the train, and this train is going forward, for example, with a heavy speed. Immediately, for example, brakes are applied. So if brakes are applied, will it come to rest immediately? No, right? It will continue, right? So it will keep on moving for large distance. It will go for large distance and it will stop. Afterwards, it will stop. So this is moving for large distance. Now, why? This is due to inertia of motion. A body wants to continue its state of motion. It wants to keep on moving in the forward direction even though brakes are applied. So this is example for what? So this train is there, no? So this is the example for inertia of motion, because it is a property of the body due to which it don't want to come to rest. It wants to continue in motion only. All right. So I hope the concept of inertia of rest and inertia of motion is clear. All right, so we'll keep on providing all these kind of videos. Please make it sure that you are liking these videos, because it is your likes through which YouTube gets to know that these videos are quality content, and that will be posted in in the upper section. And don't forget to share these videos with your friends from other schools and all, and comment down whatever you want to listen from us, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because it is your subscription which gives us a lot of motivation to shoot all these videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye bye.